In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an n8n account. This video offers a straightforward step-by-step guide to help you set up your account effortlessly. Our journey begins with navigating to Google, the world's most popular search engine. Here, we'll look up the relevant page for n8n, a powerful and versatile workflow automation tool. Start by opening your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, type Create n8n account. Hit enter, and you'll see a list of search results appear. Among these links, find the official n8n website, which should be clearly marked. Click on it to be directed to the account creation page. Once you're on the n8n website, you'll find an option to create your account. Look for a button or link that says something like Create Account, and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll be asked to provide some basic information to get started. Here's where you type in your email address. Make sure to enter an active email that you regularly check, as n8n will use this address to send you important account verification details and updates. Double check your entry to avoid any typos, as this could impact your ability to complete the registration process. After ensuring your email is correct, proceed by clicking on the Submit button. By doing this, you're likely confirming your request to create an account, which will initiate the next step in the process. At this point, follow any on-screen prompts that may appear. These prompts are designed to guide you through the remainder of the registration process. You may be asked to confirm your email address, set a secure password, and agree to the platform's terms and conditions. If you are asked to confirm your email, remember to check your inbox for a confirmation email from n8n. This email may contain a link that you'll need to click to verify your account. As you proceed through the steps, take your time to read any instructions or information provided. Understanding these details can help ensure that your account setup is smooth and secure. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, your n8n account should be ready to use. Remember, having an n8n account opens up a wealth of possibilities for automating workflows and managing tasks efficiently. With your account all set up, you can explore the platform's features and begin customizing your automation to suit your personal or professional needs. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to create your n8n account. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.